Hello everybody, SAFs Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to turn on Snapchat notification. Or if you are not receiving Snapchat notification, then today I'll solve this. So let's start. First of all, update your Snapchat app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. After opening the app, then click on the menu icon beside the search icon on the top side. Here you can see the interface of setting and then click on the setting icon beside sharing on the top right side. After that, scroll down, you can see a option that setting upper side on the bitmoji or below the partner connections. So click on the notification. Here you can see the notification option is turned off. So if you want to turn on the notification, then you have to click on the enable notification option, and then all the notifications will be turned on. So if you turned off any of the setting that mentions memories, friends birthday, message reminders, trending public content, stories from friends, so if you can then you can turn off this. So if you want to turn off any of those, then you can turn off selective. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Or if you are facing the any of problem, then don't forget to comment below. So goodbye.